Welcome back, guys. Today we have the new vegetation system. So this is our first time we are trying. You can see how this is working. So just stay with me, so I'll show you the whole process. Firstly, we make this berm a little bit, and I get this pipe from the Amazon. It's 100 feet, just for 25 bucks. We connect with the water line, just checking if that is working good or not, so you guys can see that one have a really good pressure. See, and after this we are going to spread the sheet on the top, then we will grow the vegetation, different vegetables. Stay with me, I'll show you the whole process. So here we have the manure. That's the chicken manure. So I'm going to pour some inside the bucket so we can use on the fertilizer. So here is the manure. We are going to spread a little bit, not a lot, just as a fertilizer. So you can see we spread all the way the chicken manure just as a fertilizer. That is really good, not too much. Now we are going to spread the sheet. So that is the sheet we are spreading that way, and how it's looking like. We just covered that side all the way here, and we leave the water here. And here is the watermelon, here's cucumber, here is jalapenos, tomatoes. We are going to grow here all the way. I'll show you. So you can see these are the watermelons we just grow all the way there. These we just have for the other vegetables, and some we grows the cucumbers and the tomatoes. Water is running.